One of the most important human qualities is that of gratitude. Gratitude is that beautiful quality that springs forth from one's heart, mind, and soul when one understands that we have gained something of great value. To be born a human being is a great and rare occurrence, says the great Tamil poetess Avvaiyar. அரிது அரிது மானிடராய் பிறத்தல் அரிது. When we understand the blessings we have in our life, at that point, when we value the blessings, we have the deep sense of gratitude, and that deep sense of gratitude brings forth a sense of love, a sense of compassion, a sense of empathy, a sense of respect, both for the self as well as for others who we interact with. We start to understand the depth of relationships, interpersonal relationships with other people in our life. Those who give us good relationships, good experiences, well, they teach us how to live, and for those who don't, they teach us how not to be. Both ways, we can learn a lot from interpersonal relationships if we value them. Because value, respect, love, all of this gives us that sense of learning, a deep sense of growth and evolution. We can also value the intrapersonal relationship that is shared by our body, our emotions, and our mind. This requires a great deal of swadhyaya, introspectional self-analysis, to understand our own thoughts, our own emotions, our own deepest of feelings, both the positive and the negative. Again, as Patanjali would tell us, using the yama to control the negativities and using the niyamas to enhance the positivities. And at the same time, our value for the transpersonal relationships with our own inherent divinity, that also grows when we have a sense of gratitude. The very fact that we have a human life, an opportunity for conscious evolution, the very fact, as Patanjali would tell us, we have an opportunity for liberation, for kaivalya. Because it is only with the conscious evolution, as expounded in the Yoga Darshan of Patanjali, that one can go from being a human to a humane being, manifesting our inherent divinity as we get rid of the kleshas, those afflictions, and our karmas through which we are bound into this cycle of life and death, action-reaction cycle. Gratitude induces that ability for growth. Gratitude induces a sense of bhakti. That bhakti, which is given as Ishvara Pranidhana by Patanjali, is the shortest of shortcuts to samadhi. He tells us, when we perfect Ishvara Pranidhana, that fifth of the niyamas, we can automatically attain samadhi siddhihi, success in samadhi. Let us be grateful for all the wonderful opportunities we have in life. Let us be grateful to whoever comes into our life, teaching us lessons, positive and negative. And let us always be grateful to the universe for giving us this opportunity for liberation in this lifetime. May we be worthy of that great opportunity.